In this video I'm going to show you how to automatically save Telegram photos to gallery on your iPhone and Android device. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first open up your Telegram application and there hit Add Settings. Now hit on Data and Storage, and there first you can enter that feature using cellular, and first make sure that this option is enabled. It calls Auto Download Media, and there also you can set data usage to high if you want. Now you can go back out of here and scroll down until you find Save Incoming Photos option. And now there you can select whom you want to save incoming photos from. And there you can enable photo saving from contacts, from other private chats, from group chats or from channels. And you can enable any options that you want. And from now photos from that categories of users will be automatically saved to your photo gallery. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.